The Growing Methods Guide on Plant Mood is a complete reference for every way you can grow plants in a controlled environment, from the simplest windowsill setup to a fully integrated commercial system. The guide opens with an overview that explains how all 20 methods relate to each other. They are grouped into 5 clusters: substrate based methods, microgreens on cocoa coir or hemp mat, grow bags, raised beds, soil, capillary mats, and wicking, all anchor roots in a solid medium. Passive and low-tech hydroponic methods, Kratky, Autopot, and wicking, need little or no electricity at the plant and are delivered by gravity or capillary rise. Active recirculating hydroponic methods, NFT, deep water culture, ebb and flow, drip systems, and Dutch bucket share a pumped nutrient circuit and form the backbone of most commercial indoor farms. Mist and air root methods, aeroponics and fogponics, suspend roots in open air and feed them with fine droplets, or ultrasonic fog for maximum oxygen and fast growth. Integrated biological systems, aquaponics, bioponic living water, and biofloc with recirculating aquaculture replace or supplement synthetic nutrients with fish waste, compost tea, or suspended microbial flock. Vertical towers sit between the recirculating and mist clusters because they can run as either a gravity-fed drip column or a misted chamber. Hybrid combination sits at the center of the diagram because most real farms mix methods rather than pick just one. Each section then goes deep on a single method. Take microgreens on substrate as an example. The guide walks you through every step: whether to pre-soak your seeds, how to fill and level the tray, seeding densities by crop, the blackout and germination phase, the transition to light, bottom watering technique, and when and how to harvest. It then covers every medium option in detail: cocoa coir, hemp mat, peat compost, wood pulp mat, vermiculite top dressing, rock wool slabs, and jute mats. What each one does well, where it falls short, and who it suits. Every other method gets the same treatment. NFT explains channel slope, pump logic, net cup setup, and which crops work and which do not. Deep water culture covers airstone requirements, dissolved oxygen targets, raft types, and reservoir temperature management. Kratky explains why you do not top up the reservoir and how the falling water level creates a self-regulating air gap. Dutch bucket goes into drip stake timing, the elbow drain design, vine training, and how to shift nutrients from vegetative to generative as fruiting begins. Aeroponics distinguishes true high-pressure systems from low-pressure misters and explains why nozzle size and cycle timing are everything. Aquaponics walks through the nitrogen cycle, the 4 system types, fish species options, and what nutrients tend to go deficient over time. The guide also covers emerging and advanced techniques. Fogponics explains how ultrasonic transducers create droplets in the 1 to 5 micron range, where the technique currently works well, particularly propagation, and where the practical challenges still sit. Biofloc and recirculating aquaculture systems covers high-density fish stocking, the role of the suspended microbial community, and how a full RAS with drum filters, moving bed biofilm reactors, and UV sterilization compares to standard aquaponics. At the end, the hybrid combination section shows how a single farm floor plan can combine microgreen racks for fast weekly turnover, NFT channels for leafy greens, Dutch buckets for tomatoes or cucumbers, and vertical towers for herbs, all managed together in Plant Mood's Farm Designer, Batch Manager, and Operator view. Every method on this page works inside the same platform. You can place any combination of growing systems on your farm floor plan, link each one to a batch, track it through grow stages, and manage tasks, inventory, and finances from one place. If you want to start with one method and expand later, the farm designer makes that straightforward.